Hi guys, my name is Tanzy. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I would like to share with you how to make a vision board, what it is all about, and how to be happy and how to set your goals. By the way, before we start, I would like to ask you to click on subscribe button, put the like, and be with me so you don't miss any videos. First of all, I would like to congratulate everyone with 2021. 12th of February is actually the date of the new year by Chinese astrology. So happy 2021. I wish everyone health, love, and I wish everyone to achieve your goals and to follow your dreams. And to do that, it's very important to actually know what you want and also to not only think about it. Some people don't even think about it. They don't know what they want. They just live everyday life. So let's not be like that. Let's actually organize our thoughts, organize what we want, and put it on paper. Before we start making visionary board, I would like to advise you to actually write the list of 100 wishes which you would like to have. You can call it wishes, you can call it goals. For me, for example, I'm more like a goal-oriented person, so I put like 100 goals. When I made this exercise first time, I actually was surprised. I thought I would do it so fast, but on 14th goal, I actually stopped writing because my brain didn't make any new goals anymore. I didn't know what to write about. And then I started to write like small things like new shoes, like Lady Gaga shoes or Chanel bag, stuff like this. But, you know, don't underestimate this kind of goals, because these little goals very often lead to a big one. If, for example, Lady Gaga shoes is like something which turns you on, or a wallet from Louis Vuitton turns you on, just write it down, because it's not so difficult to achieve these goals, but it's also pleasant, and then it helps you to go forward. Write down also things which you actually want, not what society tells you you have to want. For example, everybody wants a car, everybody loves cars. I would like to say about me, I'm not a driver, so I don't have this turning on feelings when I think of having Mercedes, Ferrari, and whatever another people are wish for. Yes, I would like to be seated as a passenger in a nice car, comfortably, you know, with a nice view, with elegancy, but myself, I don't want to drive so much. Of course, now living in Europe, there is not so many taxi options as I had in Russia, so I will have to drive the car. But it's not something what drives me on. More drives me on is like sitting as a passenger, you know, in the car and enjoying the drive. So if I will make my board, or I will write it down, like to have a Mercedes or BMW on my own board, it's not gonna work because it doesn't really drives me on. So you know what I mean? Don't write whatever society tells you is great to have. It's your life. Okay, you can really buy something which other people think is cool just to show off, but believe me, you know, person will see your photo on Instagram. Yes, he will say, oh my god, yeah, he bought a new car. He will feel maybe jealous, or he will feel maybe happiness for you, but in the end of the day, he doesn't care, you know. Person will think about it 1 minute and then will think about his own life. So whatever you do, whatever you want, just do whatever turns you on and what you like, not other people. So this is a very important moment, because if you will write something what other people like, it will not work, because it's not what really drives you on. Okay, so we wrote 100 wishes, so we know kind of what we want. Of course, we write not only one topic like money. It has to be about family, about love, about health, about education, about children, about traveling. And then we start with our vision board. For this, we need a paper. So I have this paper. It's 48 to 68 centimeters, so it's quite big. You can make it smaller. And also scissors, because we will need them. We need glue, marker. I would advise you to write with a red marker. You can write it on stickers or on the board itself. You will need your photo. If you are making your individual vision board, then it has to be your own photo. You have to feel happy over there. You have to be healthy. So any photo where you actually were happy at that moment. This year I'm gonna make a vision board with my husband, as it will be family board. So I printed out our Halloween picture, you know, from this Halloween. Okay, my husband just came. Let's see, I told him that I'm dyeing my hair. I told you I wanna have a pink color, pink hair, right? Do you like it? Do you like it? You see,
It's not a wig.
No, it's my hair. You like it, baby?
It's extensions, no?
No.
It's here.
Where extension? No extension.
It's extension.
No.
I can see.
Why are you doing? What?
Here, it's extension.
It's not extension, baby.
Yes.
You don't recognize my hair?
No,
Ovi.
this is extension. It's impossible
So what do you mean it's impossible?
to do it. This is wig. It's extension. What are you talking
Which
about?
extension, baby? What are you
I
talking?
feel it here is your hair. What are you talking
my
about? What are you talking about?
How my husband reacted, because this is today when I'm recording the video for you. It's 14th of February, and I decided to make fun of him, to surprise him, to do some silly stuff. So you will see his reaction. So I'm gonna continue with this week because I just don't have time to make my hair more organized. Then I would suggest you to prepare the pictures in advance. You can buy just any magazines, yeah? Or if you would like to do it really advanced way, then just find exact pictures of your dreams. For example, you want to go to Bali, then don't just cut any photo from magazine where it looks like Bali. Just find actually Balinese picture and print it out. So it's more detailed. If you have time for that, I would really suggest you to do it actually that way. If you don't have time, as me, because I have a 7 months old daughter, and I don't really have time to go on internet and go and print it out, I just bought different magazines. But make sure, if you do my way, sure that in the magazine there is actually photos which it drives you on. For example, as I said about cars, yeah, I know that dream car for my husband, without like any mental limitations, which we all have, is Mercedes. So I found a magazine which has a lot of Mercedes-Benz cars, and also it has cars for me, like small ones like Fiat and the Mini Cooper. So we're gonna use this magazine for the car. And I also found the magazine about children, about family. And my husband is actually asking me for a second child already. I'm still thinking, but we're probably gonna do it within these 3 years. And I found the magazine, which is really cool. As you see, you don't see faces of the people. It's very important, by the way, because if you will print out pictures with the face towards you, then whatever good things you want, it's gonna happen with these actors or models. So make sure the faces are turned away, or you just see silhouettes. So I found this picture in the back of the magazine where the father and the son are happy. You know, you can see that they're happy, they're excited, and they are jumping into the swimming pool. So I'm gonna cut this picture and put it on my vision board. And I'm sure, since it's about kids, there are a lot of other pictures. In our vision board, there is a section for financial success and money. So I bought a financial magazine. So it's all about money, about success, and safety of your financial assets. So it's I think gonna really be good for us, this magazine. And also my husband would like to raise our own chickens, because he said that it's very important to have bio chickens, bio eggs, and to not eat chickens which are injected with so much antibiotics. So in this magazine, where is about money, I found the picture with chickens and eggs. So we're gonna actually cut this picture and put it on our board. So make sure before you buy the magazine, it has pictures which actually represents what you want to. So another magazine which I bought, it's about home and interiors, but it has a lot of small pictures. For example, I found a picture in this magazine of fireplace, and I know that my husband would like to have a fireplace at home, and we are more going for electric one, but really high quality, so it looks real. And I saw this kind of photo in this magazine. Also, I'm more city person, and on top of the house which my husband has, I would like us to have an apartment in his city, so I will also cut the picture of the apartment and put it in our vision board. So this is what I bought for myself, and now we're gonna start to talk actually more deep about each section, where to put pictures, because it's very important to put it by Feng Shui rules. We'll talk about this in the presentation which I prepared for you. About each section you will see, and you will be able to follow it. You can just print screen that, or you can stop the video and just copy it. So as you see, the map divided by 9 different life sectors, where in the center is you. If you are making individual vision board, then put in the center your own photo. If you are making together with your partner, put the family photo together over there, where you are happy and satisfied. Also around your photo, you can put photos of the people, silhouettes, not face towards you, but silhouettes of people whom you would like to be like. For example, you would like to lose weight, then you can put a silhouette of slim and healthy looking woman or man next to your photo. So on top of our photo is a sector of fame and recognition. It's all about success, career development, and different opportunities. Maybe you wanted to do something before which you still didn't try, for example, to be in the movies or to do modeling. So you can put these kind of photos over there, and don't be shy, just make your goal and go for it. On the right corner, it's the sector of love and relationships. If you are single, you can put photos of different happy couples, or photo of the man or woman, how you would want to see your partner. Don't put the photo of real person or some kind of celebrity. So just put the photo like silhouette or from the back, how you see your perfect partner. Also, if you like someone but you are not together, don't put that person's picture over there. It's not gonna work. Just put his back maybe, so the universe will find you the same person, the same kind of person, or universe, if that person whom you like is actually your soulmate, universe will help you to be together. But don't put a photo with his or her face over there. Don't do that. If you are married or in a relationship, then you can put photos together with your partner, where you are actually happy, having fun, or traveling. Also, you can add pictures which symbolize love. It can be hearts, it can be romantic getaways, and stuff like this. On the right side is a sector of children and creativity. If you would want to have children and you don't have them yet, you can put baby photos. If you don't want to have children, just don't put any children pictures over there. Better put something about creativity. You wanted to learn how to paint, for example, or you wanted to play a piano. So you put pictures about this kind of stuff and hobbies. On the right photo down, you see the map and the luggage. This is sector of support and traveling. If you would like to be like someone, for example, there is a person who motivates you, you can put his or her picture over there. This sector is also about friendship, so you can put photos where you are in nice companies, where people having fun and having a party. Also, this sector, as I said, is about traveling, so put countries where you would want to go. And if you want to move to another country or city, please put photo of these locations. Also, you can add sentences in the present time, like, for example, I have moved to France and I'm happy over here. Under the sector of your photo where you see a small office bag, this is a sector of career. Here we are putting our plans for our career, business development, as well as financial development. If you would want to have your own business, put pictures, what kind of business you want or what kind of new job you want. Don't be shy, especially about yourself. You're doing it for you, it's your board, so you can dream and actually put this kind of dreams on your board, and I'm pretty sure it will come out very good for you. I know that a lot of people lost jobs last year and keep losing them and keep losing their businesses, but please remember that everything is going away, so you can always start something new, learn something new, and start new career. Maybe you dreamed about something when you were a child. Maybe it's time to actually make this dream come true. So here is coming a sector about education on the left corner in the bottom. Maybe you wanted to learn Photoshop or you wanted to learn new language. This actually gonna be a very good time to learn something new, as I said. So please put photos about education plans which you have. If you have children and you want them to pass exam, please write it like this: I'm happy that my child passed this exam. So specifically which one. So on the left side where you see the house, it's a sector of house and family. So it's all about atmosphere in the house, apartments, as well as animals which you have. So you can put the photo of ideal family or ideal house, or maybe your dream dog over there, and it will help you to perceive that goal for sure. If you found the house which you actually like, put the picture over there and write it down that it's a house where I moved. Left up corner is financial sector. You see dollar bills over there. I would like to stress from beginning, don't put any photos like luggage with the money or treasure bags and stuff like this. Also don't put a photo where you see the hand with money, because it can have double meaning. You can get money or you can give money, so don't put things like this. You can put things which you want to have, like expensive car, expensive bag, and also you can put something like what represents richness. I mean, in your perception. If you have any questions left, you can write in comments and I will reply to you. And this is the dates. If you missed the ones which I told you until 27th of February, then this is the dates this year you can actually use for making this vision board. It's a new moon dates and it's only for 2021. If you are watching this video 2022, 23, 24, etc., you can write down to me and I will write for you dates when you can actually do this board. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope my video was very useful for you, and I wish all your dreams, all your goals will come true. Please write the comments within 3 years how much percentage from your board came true. I would really appreciate that. Please subscribe if you didn't do that yet, and put the like and press the notification button so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for being with me.